Hi everybody, I just wanted to give my review to the Pop On Veneers. They are amazing. The best money I have spent in years. I am 31 years old. I am a cancer survivor, and thanks to the leukemia and my radiation, I had severe deterioration of my teeth. And of course, at 31 years old, you don't want that. As you can see, I'll show you here. A lot of deterioration from the chemo and the radiation. It caused a lot of low self-esteem. But thanks to Pop On Veneers, I have my smile back, and they're great. I cannot give a better review. 5 stars, 5 stars. If you're hesitating, if you're wondering if you should do it, if you're debating on doing it, if you're going, oh, that's a lot of money, I don't know, do it. Okay? I mean, look. They're amazing. Do it.